putting my makeup on, and then I was like, what are you doing? You've still got to exercise and shower. So that's all got to come off now. Don't know what I was doing. Good morning. I hope you're all doing really, really well today. So I just wanted to do a nice casual chilled out day in the life. It might end up being a few days, not really sure what the title of this video is going to end up being, because it is like a spur of the moment, just wanted to bring you guys along, so not really sure what this video is going to end up being. I have lots of tidying to do to start with. This isn't going to be a deep clean. I am just going to quickly whiz around, tidy up, do a quick pickup before we start exercising. And if you've been here before, you know I don't exercise. I don't enjoy it. I don't like it, but I've heard the more you do it, the more you like it. So I really want to get into exercising, just tone up, like feel the best version of me, do you know what I mean? Just get fitter. So that is my plan of doing Pilates, because that seems popular. People seem to enjoy doing that. Everyone that does Pilates seems to want to tell everyone that they do Pilates, so they must enjoy it. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. And that is why I thought I would bring you guys along with me, because I don't like exercise. I don't know how many times I can say that, but I really don't like it. And I feel like I am going to be pushed more to do it if you're here doing it with me. And I know that sounds really like weird, because technically I am sat talking to a camera, but at the same time I do feel like you guys are going to hold me accountable if I don't finish it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and do a whole Pilates thing today. I'm going to try and do it like 3 to 4 times a week. I don't want to be like, I have to do it every single morning, blah, 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 because otherwise it's not going to happen. I'm not going to enjoy it. So yeah, I'm just going to start, see what it's like, and then figure out what's best for me. But yeah, I just want to trim down a little bit, tone up a little bit, and just mentally feel good for summer. Like I said, people that do Pilates seem to enjoy it. I'm going to tell everyone that they do Pilates, so I might end up being one of those really annoying people. Hopefully not, but you never know. I might end up getting totally hooked and love it and want to tell everyone that I do it. I do have work tonight, which means I will be going to bed at about 3 o'clock this afternoon to get a couple of hours, and then I'll get up at like 5 or 6. I don't like sleep the whole day before work, because I sleep the whole day after work, and obviously I don't want to miss 2 days for one shift. So I try and get sort of like an hour or two. So I will be going to bed at 3 o'clock. It is currently 9:30, so I have about 6 hours to whiz around, get everything tidy, do some exercise, and just have a nice chilled day at home. I want to go through my summer clothes. Looking outside, I know it's still pouring down with rain, it's still really cold, but it's spring, so that's it. That's all I need. It's officially spring. I'm going to be bringing out my spring summer clothes, and if I freeze, I freeze. I don't even care at this point. I want to be all summery, so I want to go through and see what fits and what doesn't. Max, what are you doing? I just realised that this plant has been like poking in the frame, so that's really good. I hope that wasn't too annoying, but let's move that out of the way. I was thinking last night that the minute spring hits, I go crazy for fashion. Not even like fashion, I'm not going to say like, I just don't even know what trends are in right now, to be honest, but I just mean clothes and changing up my wardrobe and the beauty side of things and all of that I just love in spring, summer, whereas in autumn and winter I honestly couldn't care less what I look like. I just live in my oversized hoodies and my leggings. That is like my outfit. If I'm not wearing that, there's probably something wrong with me. But during the spring, summer, I really change it up. I start wearing dresses and skirts and all the rest of it. And I also bring a lot of colour in. I was looking yesterday and I have so much pink for summer. I love pink, and yeah, and just blues and yellows and all of the colours, whereas in autumn, winter, I am very neutral and I like to just stay neutral. Black, white, beige, grey, you know, all of that. I love it. I think it's just because in autumn, winter, I'm doing so much to the house. Like, I love decorating for autumn. I actually think autumn is my favourite season. Am I actually saying that? Is autumn my favourite over summer? Do really love autumn. I don't know what it is. I know. Oh, you scared me. Hey, what was I saying before Max had something to say? Yeah, autumn, summer, love both of them. But I think because in autumn, winter, I'm decorating the house so much. I love decorating for autumn, just getting all the pumpkins out, all the decorations, and then obviously there's Christmas, which I just go all out for. And I just love getting the house nice and cozy. Cozy is my vibe. I absolutely love it. But then you don't really have a cozy house throughout spring, summer. Or I mean, you could, but it just doesn't feel cozy. It's not like hot choc season. You might have noticed that I'm doing a lot more like clothing hauls on my channel, which I really hope that you're enjoying. It is very different to my original cleaning content, and I'm still going to be bringing you lots of cleaning motivation, home decor, because I haven't gone off that. I just want to involve more fashion as well this time of year. I am rambling a little bit now, but yeah, I just hope that you enjoy all of the new type of content that's coming. But yeah, like I said, I think tomorrow I am going to be going through my wardrobe. Oh, I'm losing my voice. Clearly talking too much this morning. Yeah, I just want to go through everything, see what I've got. Even if I end up freezing to death, I feel like it's spring now. I don't want to be just wearing my oversized hoodies anymore. I want to get the colour out, which feels really weird. Like the minute it's spring, I'm like, yeah, give me the pinks, give me the blues. Let's have all the colour. I'm going to be cleaning in today's video. It's going to be Pilates, be, you know, spring, summer wardrobe, organised. I don't even know where this video is going, but I really hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Give today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump into today's video and see where it takes us. It's actually like an hour later. I sat down to edit a little bit of today's video and just got caught up in it. So it's now an hour later, but I'm gonna start my Pilates, and I was just looking on YouTube for some, you know, easy Pilates for beginners kind of workouts, and I found a wall Pilates. I didn't know that a wall Pilates was a thing. I didn't know you could exercise using a wall. So we're gonna give that a go. Like I've said so many times, I don't like exercising, and this kind of looks a little bit more interesting, a little bit more fun. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. I have no idea how hard this is gonna be, so wish me luck. I really hope that I can do this, and I hope I enjoy it. But yeah, I'm just gonna put you on a bit of a time lapse and see how it goes. So I actually didn't think about how difficult Max was going to make that. Like, why did I not think about Max with me being on the floor? Hey, baby boy, you made that difficult, didn't you? Yes. Yes, you did. He just wanted to get involved. He thought it was a game. He was just all up in my face, and yeah, it was so difficult, but I actually really enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to be doing it again, and as you can see, my form was totally off, so I need to get better with that. I kept sort of pushing away from the wall and having to like wriggle back. So yeah, so you can see what I'm doing and then what she was doing on the telly. It just didn't match, but hopefully with practice I will get better. But yeah, I really enjoyed it, so that is something that I'm going to be sticking with. But right now I want to jump in the shower and get into bed. It's about 1:30 now, so I'm thinking it'll be about 2 o'clock when I get into bed, and then I can watch some YouTube and do some like content planning, because I've sucked lately. I really haven't done any planning, and I'm sort of just filming and uploading as I go rather than having some in the background waiting to go, and that's normally what I like. I don't like sort of having to rush a video, or you know, just not knowing what's going to be next. I really don't like that. So I do have some like fashion hauls to come. Really looking forward to that. I've already planned those out, and there's a brand new brand that I am working with that I can't wait to share with you guys. So that's all exciting. Some more spring summer fashion, but other than that I haven't really got anything planned. I do want to do some more vlogs and stuff, so yeah, I've just got to try and figure out what I want to do. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have a shower, sit in bed, do some content planning, watch some YouTube and get some sleep. So I will see you guys back here in the morning. Okay, so this is the summer stuff I wanted to sort out. I have been like randomly pulling things out, so it's a little bit of a mess, but I just need to sort of go through, try and remember what I got last year, try some stuff on, see if it fits, see if I'm going to be keeping it, and yeah, just do a little bit of organising. I actually want to sort out all of my jumpers now, because I can barely open the drawers, and I've got two big drawers of jumpers like this one. I can't even open, and I don't wear half of them. I just literally wear the ones that I've sort of shoved at the front. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave that for my next vlog, because honestly guys, I don't know how long I can stay awake for to do all of that today. So I am going to quickly go through some of this and just see what fits, see what doesn't. How cute is this set though? I actually totally forgot about this. I got it from ASOS. It's from River Island, and I just think it's so adorable. Ignore the socks, but could you imagine me wearing like these colours throughout autumn, winter? Like, definitely not. But as soon as it hits spring, that's it. I'm all for the colour, and to be honest, I don't actually wear them together. I do think this is like a little bit too much. I think I would just wear the skirt with like a white crop top, and then the top with like just a different plain skirt, because otherwise it is a lot. And please ignore my appearance. I obviously have just got home from a night shift, which is why I am looking like this, so please ignore that. But look how adorable it is. I love it. Okay, I've come across the first outfit that no longer fits me. The top is absolutely fine, and also, how bold must I have been last year buying these bright coloured outfits? Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm still really loving it. But the skirt no longer fits me. As you can see, I can no longer do it up. This is a size 8 and I am now a size 10, so obviously it's not going to fit anymore, so I am going to get rid of the skirt, which is a bit of a shame, but the top still fits really nicely, so I can just pair it with high-waist shorts, high-waist jeans, and yeah, I can still get the wear out of it. But unfortunately I have too much stomach for this skirt, so that's gotta go. This is the next skirt, and even though it fits and it is a size 8, so I'm not really sure why it fits, it's really not very flattering because it's got like the stitching that goes just under the stomach. It makes it look like you've got a big pouch, even like if you don't. I mean, I do a little bit, but it makes it look a lot worse. Like it just, like why would you have stitching? Like it's just not very flattering. So it fits, but I think I am going to get rid of this one as well, just to make room, because obviously I'm still going to be buying stuff this summer. So yeah, I want to get rid of everything that I'm not going to wear, and yeah, just make room. So I'm going to go ahead and just carry on going through all of this and seeing what fits, what doesn't, and just what I like the look of and what I don't, and yeah, just sort it out a little bit. Why did I think I would have energy to go through all of my summer clothes this morning? Like, I have no idea. I definitely bit off more than I can chew, and I am actually going to leave it there. So that so far is the stuff that fits, and then the stuff that doesn't. And I've noticed that last year all of my skirts I picked up in an 8, so they don't fit anymore, and I'm actually really happy that I kept these. They didn't fit me, they were actually too big, but they didn't have an 8, so I just picked them up in a 10, and yeah, they were too big, but I missed like the deadline to send them back. So I just ended up keeping them, and I don't know why, like I didn't donate them, because I've done so many bags for donations since, and I've done so many declutters since, but for some reason I've kept them and I put them on, and now they fit perfectly. So I'm just so happy that I kept hold of those. But yeah, I love going through everything that I bought last year because I don't really remember everything. So I still have this whole drawer to go through, and it's mainly like the shorts. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit. But honestly, I am way too tired to try on all of those, so I'm actually going to wait until my next vlog, and I'm going to do like a big declutter and organise. Like I said, I want to go through these ones as well, getting rid of the jumpers, or well, not getting rid of them, but like putting them in the garage ready for next year. So yeah, I'm thinking I can do that at the same time. And I've also ordered a drawer organizer for my underwear and sock drawer, because honestly it's like the worst thing in the world. So I need to really sort my life out and sort my pants out. So I think I'm gonna have like a huge declutter and organize in my dressing room, getting ready for spring in my next vlog. But yeah, I really need sleep, and I also really want to edit this video. I mean, this outfit is just ridiculous. Like, obviously I would not pair these together, but yeah, I really want to get today's video edited and up for you guys. So I am just going to do like a big declutter, organize, spring refresh in my next one. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that one. Leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys back here in my next one. Bye.